Hello, good morning. How are you today? Welcome back to the second engineer interview series. The next question is number 55, and the question is, what do you do when you get fuel oil bunker analysis result? Cat finds very high. When we received fuel oil bunker with cat find very high, cat finds are hard, abrasive particles, and they can make damage. Fuel pumps, injector, piston rings, and liners. So we need to step-by-step action as below. Inform all engine staff and chief engineer. Inform technical superintendents. Use two purifiers in operation to reduce cat fine contents. Set fuel purification temperature around 98 degrees Celsius for heavy fuel oil per lab recommendation. Regularly drain fuel oil settling and surface tanks and clean fuel supply P or P suction filter, backwash filter. Monitoring all parameters of main engines and generator in normal condition or not. Take fuel samples before and after purifier and send for analysis. Collect all evidence of taken bunker sample procedures, pictures, and video, and all documents related to this fuel bunker on board. Sends to office to claim against the supplier. That's the answer. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.